This is a project to install a 2 million pound reactor pressure vessel for the Phipps Bend nuclear power plant in eastern Tennessee, implemented by VSL Group. It is 80 feet long and 26 feet in diameter. Transporting and installing the heavy components took only a few weeks, but for the transport and heavy lifting parts, the project required more than 2 years of planning to prepare the route as well as design and fabricate the equipment. The requirements are difficult and complex. There are 47 miles of public roads to travel with a grade of 8% uphill, 10% downhill and 10% overhill. Route preparation began 8 months before travel in a clearance situation plane. New probes set to lift power lines. 11 bridges along the route have been reinforced with steel. The banks were placed on concrete pads below the bridge deck for 3 special soil and water exchange leveling docks built during low water levels in winter. New paths to bypass and access the dock were also built, and the equipment used for each phase of the move was thoroughly tested in advance under real site conditions using 50-meter concrete weights tons instead of parts before delivery to VSL. The RPV and other components were sent by barge from Memphis to Knoxville. There, the barge is ballasted onto a level track to provide dry link access for lifting and transport equipment. A 60-foot-high 1,500-ton forklift frame is built under the barge while 2 multi-axle transport trailers are prepared to receive the load, each assembled from modular units in a wide 12-axle configuration 24 feet with a load capacity of 825 tons for tying tie rods used to connect the trailers and keep them evenly spaced after raising the RPV approximately 10 feet. The trailers are driven under the load and the RPV is lowered onto the support beams. Power for movement is provided by 5 4-wheel tractor dozers and supported by 2 additional tractors for use on steep grades. A total of 384 tires transferred the load to the ground for maximum maneuverability. Each set of 4 tires is mounted on a hydraulically operated axle assembly to control the rotation angle of each module, the automatic hydraulic leveling feature being adjusted to irregular surface grades and side slopes. The total equipment convoy for the overland move consisted of 30 transport and support vehicles operated by a crew of over 90 people. The convoy spanned a distance of 2 months overland along the route. It was often necessary to cross underground lines and culverts that could possibly collapse under the law. In these cases, portable steel ramps were used where there was not enough clearance under the Interstate 40 bridge. A 100-foot detour was built on the first leg of the overland journey that ends at Cherokee Lake, where the trailers are rolled onto a special segment barge. The barge was assembled from modular units loaded onto 43 separate trucks at the Melinda Bridge. The barge was ballasted to a special leveling dock and the convoy rolled the last 20 miles along to Phipps Bend. Finally, after 3 years, the move was nearly complete upon reaching Phipps Bend, followed by the lifting and installation of the RPV, a 220-foot gantry using 4 hydraulic cylinder lifters, the jack mounted on a table. Rotate so that the entire ship can rotate 80 degrees. Phipps Bend stroke is a good example of how detailed planning and well-managed execution can benefit a project's success. This is the Radomiro atomic mine. It is one of the major copper mines in Chile and is operated by Codelco, Corporación Nacional del Cobre de Chile, the Chilean state-owned mining company. The Radomiro atomic mine is located in the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, near the city of Calama in the Antofagasta region. At an altitude of 3,000 meters above sea level, Radomiro atomic is primarily a copper mine and plays an important role in Chile's copper production. It is known for its large copper reserves and significant copper mining activity. The mine is operated as an open-pit mining operation, which involves removing large amounts of overburden to access the copper ore below the surface. The Radomiro atomic mine contains both copper sulfide and oxide ores. It has reserves of 1.39 million tons of sulfide, with an average content of 0.5%. These ores are processed to extract copper through a variety of methods, including flotation and filtration. Mining at the mine requires the use of large-sized mining vehicles. The Rotopala wheel is used in mining operations at this mine. It has a weight of 33 tons, an operating performance of up to 48 hours non-stop, and is combined with FAM's giant supercar for copper mining. Rotopala capstans wheels will be replaced and improved every year due to wear and tear during mining. This is one project among the Chilean government's projects in 2021. Let's take a look and learn about 3 large heavy vehicles from Hitachi, KAT and KOMATSU in coal mining. The Hitachi X5500 is a massive hydraulic excavator designed for heavy-duty mining and large-scale earth-moving operations. The Hitachi X5500 is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. It typically has an operating weight in the range of 510 to 560 metric tons. To make it easier to imagine that the X5500 weighs the same as 26 T90 tanks. Each T90 tank weighs 46.5 tons. Conventional excavators are only equipped with about 6 refillable diesel engines, but to maintain the X5500, it is equipped with 2 QSK T60C engines. Each engine has a maximum capacity of 1450 kW. In one working cycle, it can scoop up to 60 tons of rocks of all kinds. Its sheer size and power make it suitable for mining applications where it's used to excavate large volumes of material quickly. It is typically powered by a high-capacity diesel engine, which can provide substantial horsepower to drive the hydraulic systems and move the machine efficiently. They are equipped with large buckets, with capacities typically ranging from 23 to 34 cubic meters. One of its digging buckets can handle the amount of rock equivalent to 11 5-ton trucks. Height of nearly 10 meters, weight of over 828 tons, chassis height of 1.2 meters moving with 2 large crawlers. Hydraulic system. The X5500 features an advanced hydraulic system, which allows for smooth and precise control of the excavator's movements. It's crucial for efficient digging and loading operations. This excavator is primarily used in mining applications, such as the extraction of coal, iron ore, and other bulk materials. It's also utilized in large-scale earth-moving projects, including quarry operations and infrastructure development. The Caterpillar 793F is a large and powerful off-highway haul truck commonly used in mining, quarry, and large earth-moving operations. Here is some information about the Caterpillar 793F. Size and capacity. The Caterpillar 793F is a massive haul truck with an empty weight of approximately 260 metric tons. Its payload capacity can vary depending on the configuration but can exceed 226 metric tons. Engine. It is powered by a high-capacity diesel engine that delivers substantial horsepower to carry heavy loads and operate efficiently. Transmission. The 793F is equipped with a robust transmission system, which is vital for managing the immense torque required for moving large volumes of material. Body. The truck's body is designed to transport and dump materials efficiently. The body's size and design are tailored to the specific needs of mining and large earth-moving projects. Off-highway design. The Caterpillar 793F is not designed for on-road use but rather for rugged off-highway applications. It's engineered to withstand harsh and challenging terrains. Safety features. The 793F comes equipped with various safety features, including advanced braking systems and stability control to protect both operators and others in the vicinity. Customization. Caterpillar typically offers various configurations and options to tailor the 793F to meet specific customer requirements and adapt to different work environments. Applications. The Caterpillar 793F is primarily used in large-scale mining and earth-moving projects where the efficient transport of large volumes of material is required. It is often used to transport materials like coal, iron ore, and other bulk commodities. The Komatsu 830 is a large haul truck designed for heavy-duty off-highway use. It typically has a substantial payload capacity and is built to transport significant amounts of material. These trucks are equipped with powerful diesel engines that provide the necessary horsepower and torque for moving heavy loads efficiently. The trucks have robust transmission systems to manage the power from the engine and handle the challenging terrain and conditions in which they operate. The truck's body is designed to transport and dump materials efficiently. It's crucial for loading and unloading operations at mining and construction sites. Like other haul trucks used in mining and large earth-moving operations, the Komatsu 830 is designed for rugged off-highway use. It's capable of operating in demanding terrains. Applications. Haul trucks like the Komatsu 830 are used in large-scale mining and earth-moving projects where the efficient transport of material is essential. They can be used for various materials, including coal, iron ore, and other bulk commodities.